Hey guys, we're back for actually video number 2 for cleaning up the car and stuff. This one's gonna be right after running the Griots Garage rinseless wash and wax. You guys can watch that video. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple of microfibers. This one's gonna be on this just simple window cleaning. I'm gonna more focus on the outside rather than the inside. Of course, I'll get into there as well. But I figured I went ahead and bought this just because it was I think it was $8-9 on Auto Geek. I figured, you know, why not? You know, it's not much more than a bottle of Windex, and I figured, you know, this is designated for cars. I did smell it. It's a nice, clean smell. Surprisingly, it really is. Nothing harsh at all. The only thing in there that I can really differentiate though is you can tell there's a hint of some like isopropyl alcohol. Of course, it's going to help it dry faster. So obviously, that's another big reason why I bought it. It would just help it. You know, dry faster. And like I said, I just hit this with the rinseless wash and wax. I don't want to have to clean up other chemicals on it, so I figured this kind of would go hand in hand. Same product, same Griot. You know, it's meant for cars. So what I'm gonna do on this one real quick is just I'll get it going. And this one's super dirty already on the back. I'll go ahead and hit it with just a normal old microfiber. Get the main stuff off. That way I'm not using my nicer rags for it. Alright, so you can see I went ahead and got all the heavy stuff off of it. Now I'll come in with a little bit nicer one. I gotta hit this, and you can tell I missed the spot up here. But you can tell she's drying super quick. Not a streak to be found. And you can kind of tell a little bit of streaking going on. We'll come back for another pass. I'll be dang. That's a pretty good one, guys. Like I said, I got a little bit of streak here coming on. I'm just gonna hit it, the clean part of this microfiber, and having that rinseless wash and wax on there already kind of just it glides right over it. You can tell how fast this dust is in the air out here. That's why I love having these products. Look at that. Look how clean that was. And we're done there. Pretty awesome. My biggest concern was making sure if it hit anything, would it still come off easy? Was I leaving anything? And obviously you can tell that was that did the trick pretty dang awesome. But yeah, I mean, obviously you guys don't need to see me do it on the inside or anything like that. I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick rundown. Another product that I keep in the arsenal now. And like I said, you can see what it does before and after with all the dust, and right after hitting the paint after a nice clean wash. It's nothing worse than finding out of a dirty window after you cleaned everything and getting everything else all dirty. So hope you guys like that one. Hope it helped kind of see the difference. And yeah, anyway, hope you guys like that one. Come back for another one. See you guys.